Hello friend, welcome my channel. Welcome my channel. I am Robin Mukherjee, civil engineering pass out 1986. Work experience above 30. Now I am discuss prevalent schedule of rates. Prevalent schedule of rates. Painting and varnishing. Painting and varnishing work. Number 1. Priming one coat on timber, plaster or on steel or other metal surface with synthetic enamel or oil-bound primer including smoothing surface. Per square meter rate. Priming one coat of timber, plaster or on steel or other metal surface with synthetic enamel or oil-bound primer including smoothing surface per square meter. Number 2. Painting with best quality synthetic enamel paint. Painting with best quality synthetic enamel paint on A. Timber or plaster surface with super gloss. Timber or plaster surface with super glass. Number 2. 2 coats white in shade. 2 coats white in shade. Number 3. 1 coat with any shade except white. 1 coat with any shade except white. Number 3. 2 coats with any shade except white. B. Timber or plaster surface with normal glass. Timber or plaster surface with normal gloss. A. 2 coats white in shade. 2 coats white in shade. Number 2. 2 coats with any shade except white. 2 coats in any shade except white. Per square meter rate. Per square meter rate. C. Steel or other metal surface with super gloss. Steel or other metal surface with super gloss. Number 1. 1 coat white in shade. 1 coat white in shade per square meter rate. Number 2. 2 coat white in shade per square meter rate. Number 3. 1 coat with any shade except white. 1 coat with any shade except white per square meter rate. 2 coats with any shade except white per square meter rate. 2 coats with any shade except white per square meter rate. Steel or other metal surface with normal gloss. Steel or other metal surface with normal gloss. D. Number 1. 1 coat white in shade. 1 coat white in shade. Number 2. 2 coats white in shade. 2 coats white in shade. Number 3. 1 coat with any shade except white. 1 coat with any shade except white. Number 4. 2 coats with any shade except white. 2 coats with any shade except white. All are per square meter rate. You are also check the latest PWD, CPWD schedule of rates, modified and latest revision. You check latest PWD, CPWD schedule of rate chart. Number 3. Painting with superior quality aluminum paint including smoothing surface. Painting with superior quality aluminum paint including smoothing surface. Number 1. 1 coat per square meter. Number 2. 2 coats per square meter. 1 coat and 2 coats per square meter. Number 4. Applying plastic emulsion paint on the walls and ceiling including peppering in the intermediate course including putty, applying plastic emulsion paint on the walls and ceiling including sandpapering in intermediate course including putty, 1 coat per square meter rate, 1 coat per square meter rate, 2 coats per square meter rate, 2 coats per square meter rate. Number 5, painting with ready-mix red lead paint of approved make and brand. Painting with ready-mix red lead paint of approved make and brand. A 1 coat per square meter rate, B 2 coats per square meter rate, 1 coat per square meter rate, 2 coats per square meter rate. Painting. Number 6, painting with ready-mix black chapar. Painting with ready-mix black chapar. A 1 coat, B 2 coats. A 1 coat, B 2 coats per square meter rate. Coal tarring. Number 7, coal tarring. A 1 coat, B 2 coats. A 1 coat, B 2 coats per square meter rate. Per square meter rate. Number 8, solid gum or corrosive treatment to woodwork. Solid gram or Cristo treatment. Cricosto treatment to woodwork. 1 coat A, B 2 coat. 1 coat A, B 2 coat per square meter. Number 9, Gopal varnish on new woodwork. Gopal varnish on new woodwork. A 1 coat, B 2 coat. A 1 coat, B 2 coat per square meter. Number 10, French polishing to woodwork. French polishing to woodwork. A on new woodwork, B on old French polishing surface. A on new woodwork, B on old French polishing surface. Per square meter. Per square meter. Number 11, wax polishing to woodwork. Wax polishing to woodwork. A on new woodwork, B on old wax polish surface. A on new woodwork, B on old wax polish surface. Per square meter. Per square meter. Number 12, oil bound distemper synthetic to interior wall ceiling per square meter. Oil bound distemper synthetic to interior wall ceiling per square meter rate. You are also check the latest modified PWD CPWD rate chart. PWD CPWD schedule of rate chart. Also check for latest modified rate analysis purpose. Now I finished my video, and next video I discuss water supply work. Next video I discuss water supply work. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. If you are like my video, please subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you, bye.